Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I know it's been a long time I haven't made any video at all. So that's why I'm making this video so I can clarify my thoughts. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So, at the first place, why I haven't made any videos on this channel? Actually, the first thing is I had no motivation. Yes, guys, I had no motivation. Because of that, I didn't make any videos. Okay, let me tell you why. Actually, at like when I started this journey, I had no anyone there. Yes, there were no anyone to talk. I had no any partner to speak. So because of that, I started this YouTube channel so I can become my own accountable partner. So I can talk with myself and I can learn English, right? That was the reason. So but when I started this that journey, and I completed first month and then second and then third, I found lots of good speakers, and they are so curious and they are so ambitious towards this English language, about their lives. They are so wonderful persons I have met, okay, in my this English journey. So right now I have lots of good speakers and real people to talk with them. So that's why I had no time, I had no motivation, and like any motive to make these videos, because I was making that like these videos to talk with myself, right? So because of that, I stopped making videos because I was busy with them. Yes, I was busy having conversation with them, I was busy to talk with them and learn from something from them. So because of that, I had no time at all. And the second thing, at that moment when I make that last video, after that, like there were lots of heavy rain. Okay, it was having rain every day, next day. So because of that also, I was like not able to come here, because in my house I have already tried making videos. There were lots of noises. Because of that, I don't wanted to make there in my house these videos. So that's why I come here, and because here is a peaceful, no one is here, and I'm also in my real life I am an introvert person, right? Because of that I can't make front of someone, or like that way. So because of that, everyone knows, like whoever is introvert person, they can understand this thing. Okay, so because of that, here is no anyone. That's why I came here and I make videos of mine. So that's it. And the third thing, like I had no motivation, and then rain, and the third, study. Yes, guys, I started my study, and because of that I was so busy. Yeah, okay, I was so busy with that, and because of that I had no time at all. And my study, after that, I talk with my friends and English. We have learned lots of things while talking each other, role play, sometimes debates, and sometimes we have choose some topics and we have talk on that. So lots of activities we have done, and that was it. Okay, so because of that, I had no chance to make any videos. I had no time at all. I right now I also have no time, but I managed. I skip one lecture or in one class. So because of that, I have time right now. That's why I'm making this video. So now that's it. Okay, and there's a question comes now, why I'm making this video right now. Actually, overall those were good memories, and I really like making my own videos, because I feel myself whenever I make these videos, I feel different person. Yes, I see myself as a different person. I became more aware of myself, of my thoughts, of as an accountable mirror. Okay, so because of that, I'm making these videos, because it's so easy to find out where I'm making mistakes in my English speaking. I have to just copy the subtitles, means sorry, whatever subtitles, and I have to just paste in ChatGPT, and he will tell me where I made mistakes. Okay, so because of that, I love to make these videos so I can correct myself. I don't need anybody. Okay, so because of that. Okay, so let's talk about our 75-day challenge. What happened? Did I complete? Yes, first of all, yes, I complete that challenge with my friends on 30 August. And what happened, actually, let me tell you. It's so interesting. Actually, when we started that challenge in first month, we were so energetic and we were so concentrated towards every task. After that, when we didn't see any improvement, we got bored doing those tasks and listening again and again and reading books. We got bored, and at that time we lagged somewhere for at least 1 week, but after that we understand each other. We did some sessions for review and feedback, what's going on right now, what we should do next thing. We change our plans and we work on that and we continued. And so it was a roller coaster, by the way. Means sometimes we failed and sometimes we got frustrated. So like doing those things again and again, yes, it was frustrating, but overall we finished our task. We understood each other like a brother and sister, like really best friend, a true friend. And it was really a good experience with you guys. If you're watching this video, I just wanted to thank you. Yeah, thank you for everything. Forget about just for a moment this English thing. I also learned from you related life stuff also. And thank you, thank you very much for that. And I'm really happy because overall, of course, we didn't, like, we haven't become good speaker, advanced speaker because of 75-day challenge, but right now I'm feeling so confident. I'm so confident while talking with anyone, not with myself here. Whenever I talk with anyone, I feel so confident while talking with them. So because of our 75-day challenge, okay. So thank you for that. If you were not there, guys, of course I would not have finished that challenge genuinely. So thank you for that. So that was all about 75-day challenge. And one of my friend has said, like, this English journey is a long term journey. Means not long term, but why I'm using long term, it's a long journey. It will not finish easily, so you have to be consistent here until you will become a good speaker. Just do 1% and little bit, do not do everything at one day. Just do slowly and slowly. So after completing 75-day challenge, it's been 1 month, I haven't done anything at all. So that's why I thought, let's do another challenge, because now we are a good speaker, right? We are around somewhere B1 to B2 level around, right? We just need little bit more practice and more focus, and then after that we will be able to become a good speaker, natural speaker. And that's it. After that we can stop doing these challenges, and after that we have to just have a conversation with people, and that's it. So that's why I thought, let's do some another challenge. So I got an idea for 45-day challenge. Because now we know everything about basic thing, we build our foundation. So that's why I choose, why not do another challenge, and this is going to be last challenge on this YouTube challenge, this YouTube channel. So that's why I thought, I found lots of another like curious and ambitious person. They were just wanted to, they just wanted to improve their fluency. So I just like found them and we discuss each other, let's do 45-day challenge. And in this challenge, first of all, before starting that challenge, what we will do is, we will work on our foundation. Yes, we will work on our foundation. Just we will going to revise all the things which we already know. Then after that we will start our 45-day challenge. So that's right now we have planned. So this is all about it. Right now I'm here, I'm making this video, and so I can clarify my own thoughts, what's going on right now, because I love making these videos, because yeah, because it's my accountable partner, these videos. I can correct myself so easily by making these videos. So that's why I'm making these videos, and that's it. I think I said everything, right? So bye, see you next time in my video. Because actually why I'm finishing this video, I thought I will make at least for 30 minutes, but there are lots of people. I do not like someone will stare me while making this video. I feel so uncomfortable. Because of that, I'm ending this video here. So bye. I'm going to be active for next 45 days challenge.